Okay folks, quick video about the hardback. Alright, I made mine out of that marine ply there, cut it in half. The size was completely determined by the size of the sheet of ply I could buy. Did a really simple ladder frame. Cut those pieces to fit in the middle. And some really crappy legs. If I did it again, I'd try and find some better wood for the legs or a little bit of a better design, but I had no idea what I was doing, and screws hold it all together. So I made two of these, screwed together just through the end piece here, and was pretty solid. And did the job, and got two workbenches at the end. So the hardback, really simple. You're gonna have to do it to get started, but it's not difficult. And the only other thing I did was paint the top of it just to make it a bit nicer to put tools on, and you glue some guide little wood jigs and you know, the tabs from the board design and whatever else. So hardback, strong back, whatever you want to call it. Pretty simple, and all you need is about 12 feet by 3 feet. So on the top, actually glued the tabs on, did this rigid straight line, my board ribs glued onto this. Imagine two of them in place. And this is just marine ply. If I did it again, I'd probably choose something flatter. This was kind of pretty cheap, but even MDF is actually a bit cheaper. Might have even been better and flatter. In my mind, I've seen so much MDF buckle that I wanted this thicker ply board, and yeah, that was just fine. It's a little bit wobbly for sanding, so maybe my leg design wasn't awesome, but it doesn't matter. It worked really well. So yeah, get into it.